Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make Sundrop pasta step by step. Start by boiling salted water and cooking your pasta until al dente. Drain, reserving some pasta water. Meanwhile, warm Sundrop oil in a skillet. Gently sauté garlic until fragrant, add tomatoes and basil, then toss pasta with the sauce and a splash of reserved water to emulsify and coat evenly. Bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil and season well with salt. Add pasta and stir occasionally to prevent sticking, cook until al dente, and time it carefully. Before draining, scoop out about a cup of starchy pasta water to help loosen and bind the sauce later. Then drain the pasta and set aside while you finish the sauce in a warm skillet. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth is a great read that changed how I think about saving and spending, and it pairs nicely with kitchen productivity. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a copy, and now let's get back to the video. Heat Sundrop oil in a skillet on medium and add minced garlic, cooking until aromatic but not browned. Add cherry tomatoes and cook until they soften and release sweet juices, then fold in fresh basil and seasoning. Add the drained pasta and a splash of reserved pasta water, tossing gently to create a silky sauce that clings to each strand. Taste and adjust seasoning before plating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.